Hello everyone, it's me Aryan Kumar. Welcome to my channel Study with Aryan, and today we will be focusing upon periodic table. What are groups in periodic table? What are periods in a periodic table? What are metalloids, metals and non-metals in a periodic table? Later on, identifying such classifications such as periods and a proper set of columns in a vertical position that are known as groups. Let's just dive deep into it and classify our concepts. Rather than being a treacherous teacher, I will be just focusing upon conceptual things and providing you a proper conceptual lecture in this video. Let's just start with amazing Bloom. Okay. At first, focusing upon groups. What are groups? There are in total 18 number of groups and they classify in a vertical position. If you don't know a vertical position, you can recognize my video as I am recording it in a vertical position. If you see this arrow, or simply I can draw it right here, this is in a vertical position, and this is how you classify a horizontal position, right? If you play a game, if you play a battle royale game such as PUBG, that is in a horizontal position. Meanwhile, if you are watching TikTok, Instagram reels, that is in a vertical position. That's how you classify such things. Afterwards, focusing upon our periodic table, how we can actually focus upon it and how it actually works. Right, so first a second A group, then later on focusing upon third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh, and lastly eighth A group. Alright, right now we will be focusing upon alkali metals, alkali earth metals, metals versus non-metals and non-metals as well. Simply just classifying alkali metals. The alkali metals are soft silvery metals and they are extremely reactive. Take an example of NaCl, right? So this is a reactive metal. Na in this is a reactive alkali metal. This basically means this is from our first A group and it can eventually react with any non-metal such as chlorine, right? So this is how you classify and actually recognize a alkali metal. Therefore, there is an example. All the alkali metals will react with water, right? You can take such considerations as sodium, Na. If we throw it in the water. Alright, now looking upon non-metals that are considered as halogens, right? Halogens are mostly found in 7th A group, or you can say 17th group simply, right? They are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and etc. Much varieties of halogens are available in our periodic table, right? Halogens are salt former. In a simple language you can say this, that they are a salt former. They are reactive as well, right? So that's how you classify halogens. Afterwards, focusing upon noble gases, they are commonly found in 8th A group, or you can say 18th group, right? They are colorless gases that are unreactive. That's why you wouldn't see such configurations, such reactions that are collectively chosen from noble gases or by noble gases. For example, there are such few reactions such as argon, right? Ar, it is an element, right? We see such few reactions, chemical balancing equations and etc. in very less amount. Maybe in future we can, but right now they aren't available. Afterwards, focusing upon metalloids. Metalloids are metals not similar in properties but Yeah, they are metals, right? For example, metalloids are soft metals. You can simply say metalloids are soft metals, and they follow a simple category of metals that aren't even exact properties of the actual metal. They have not the similar properties of metal. That's how we classify metalloids, right? If you look at the right side of our periodic table, so you will see a gaseous distinguish between two different elements, right? Two different type of elements, right here and right there. Here we will be having our simple elements, that will be metals. Right here we will be having our non-metals, and in this line we will be having our noble gases. For example, you can see here from group 3a and second a elements to the last position we are having in this zigzag line, right? Meanwhile, the element of 6a group will be on our noble gases side, not as good conductor as metal. As I said, metalloids are not good conductor as metals, but remember, they are metals, just changed by properties in nature, right? But you can consider them as a metals at a lot of prospects. That's how you classify metalloids. That's it for our video. I hope you liked it. Just leave a comment if you actually want to, and drop a like as well. That's how our video looks like. That's it for today. See you in our tomorrow's video. Bye bye, sayonara, adios.